Hey, this is Mark, and today I've got a simple, straightforward Digitizer FPC connector to do on an iPhone 6. So it looks like somebody has caused a little damage here, and we can see they've also knocked off a component over here, which, looking at it, that is probably a cap, but it also could be a resistor. So I'll need to check on that and see if it should be replaced. Yeah, I'm going to need an iPhone 6 board. So it is a resistor, so I am going to go ahead and swap that over. Alright, I need to tape that camera out of the way. It's starting to be a pain. Alright, there we go. Now, let's get that old connector off. So I'm just trying to get a bunch of leaded solder up on there. Make this come off a little easier. And I'm going to go ahead and just pop this board out real quick. Alright, now we're ready to go. And then we're just going to go through and just put a bunch of leaded solder on all those pads. Boy, just move that resistor around a little bit. Great. Well, I thought that was the resistor stuck there, but I guess I've lost it. I'll have to dig out another one. Alright, now time for a new connector. It has been a really long time since I've needed to use one of these connectors. Oh, shoot. Grabbed a 6 plus, not 6. Just save you for later. Might need that in another year or two when I get another connector job in. Okay, here we go. Let's get this done. So I'm going to start by just tacking down the anchors, the grounds here. Doesn't want to stay down. There we go. Now we should be able to come in with some hot air and keep this new connector from flying away or burning up or both. Alright, so some of those joints don't look so hot. So I'm going to go down the whole thing again, this time with hot tweezers. And the point of this is not to resolder every joint and make them all perfect. It's just to deliver a little bit more solder to each pad so that then I can come back in with hot air again and reflow those pads and make them all look nice and professional. Even though I think some of these joints are turning out pretty good doing it this way. Alright. One last hot air. And then we should be able to clean this up and it'll be good to go. Yeah, those joints are a lot better. These are a bit harder to see. I'm going to say they're probably all fine. Everything looks good enough to me for a test. check the connector on the customer screen. Just clean up that end a little bit. All right. Somebody has loaded up a bunch of electrical tape as if the problem was that you needed more pressure on the digitizer connector. No. Much pressure on the connector is probably what caused the thing to be damaged in the first place. Too many ham-fisted techs out there just forcing things when they don't fit just right the first time. God, that's really a pain in the ass. The connector's all sticky now, so just clean that off. All right. We need to get you on there. There we go. Come on, little phone. All right, there we go. No more lines in the display. Touch works just fine. So, all this, another success. Throw it in the done pile. All right, thanks for watching.